All right, guys, welcome to Wednesday. So this video is going to be used across all of the math courses, so 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. So it doesn't matter which course you're in, you're still following the same directions. So today you guys are going to submit some screenshots from a couple of items that I will be assigning or have assigned in your course. So right now I'm in the 5th grade course. If you take a look, remember the first thing that you should do is always go and visit your announcements to see what has been updated or what has been changed for the week. So if you take a look at the announcement for this week, remember you can always reference the video that's posted here. And then we have today, which is Wednesday. So this is for 5th grade. So for 5th grade, you guys are completing 4 different items. So you have writing numerical expressions, 1 operation, and as well as writing numerical expression, 2 operations, evaluate numerical expressions with parentheses, and then evaluate numerical expressions. So these are the 4 items that you are assigned to complete today. Yesterday, I did get a couple of emails. You have a math pretest that is linked within your course. You are to complete this in your notebook. Later this week, you will see that you are to input these items for a grade. Okay, so do that. Once you have come here, go to your modules. Again, scroll down when you're within the modules, look for Wednesday, and your assignments appear there.